Hello everyone, welcome to Grey Pot. Homemade chicken ramen with a flavorful broth, roasted chicken, veggies, lots of noodles and a soft cooked egg. Even though you're having a bad day, these noodles will make it better. Add some salt into some water with some ginger and garlic cloves. Sprinkle some crushed pepper, then add in nicely cleaned chicken pieces. Here we're going to make chicken stock. So let them boil for at least half an hour. Meanwhile, let's cook some noodles. Here I've taken the packet noodles, but if you like to make the noodles from scratch, the recipe for that is already uploaded in my channel. I'll leave the link in the description box. Once it is done, strain it and pour some cold water on top and keep it aside. Now our chicken stock is also getting ready. Remove the scum from the top in between. Now into a pan add some vegetable oil. You can also use olive oil. Add some crushed garlic. Add some chili powder. Now here I'm adding 2 pieces of cooked chicken. You can add these lightly roasted chicken pieces into the soup, which will give a nice flavor for it. So with a soft boiled egg, I'm also adding a bullseye in this ramen. Now let's start preparing the soup. Add some crushed garlic, some soy sauce, some chili sauce. If you want more spicy, you can add more chili sauce into it. Then add in the chicken stock. Now mix this nicely and let it boil. Once it is done, our soup is also ready. You can transfer it into a bowl. Add the cooked noodles into it. Add soft boiled egg, roasted chicken pieces, and the bullseye. Now finally sprinkle some fresh spring onion and our delicious ramen is ready. Instead of chicken, you can add any other meat. So what would you like to have in your ramen? Chicken, beef, pork, or something else? Do comment it in the comment section below. Follow us on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter and Pinterest. Click the logo to subscribe to Grey Pot and watch more interesting recipes from our channel. Thank you.